Think about how we've been using AI over the last year or two. You ask ChatGPT to summarize a 50-page financial report. It gives you bullet points. You use an AI tool to draft an email to a client. It saves you 20 minutes. We've been treating AI like a really fast, highly caffeinated intern. It assists, it suggests, but at the end of the day, you are the one who clicks send. You are the one making the call. Well, welcome to 2026, because that era is officially over. Right now, the banking and financial sector is quietly executing the biggest operational shift in modern history. We are moving away from what the industry calls AI assistance and stepping directly into transactional authority. What does that mean? It means the AI is no longer writing the summary. The AI is settling the trade. It's approving the compliance check. It is executing financial transactions worth millions of dollars, semi-autonomously. It's no longer a tool on your desktop. It's your new digital co-worker. And today we need to talk about exactly how this works, why Wall Street is betting everything on it, and what it means for your career, whether you work in finance or not. Let's roll back the clock just a few months to late 2025. If you read the major financial roundups back then, analysts saw this coming. They warned us that banks were hitting a ceiling with basic AI. Summarizing data only gets you so far if a human still has to manually type in the orders and double-check every single regulation. It's a bottleneck. So how did they fix it? Enter the digital co-worker. Instead of an AI that sits outside the system waiting for a prompt, these new systems are hardwired right into the core banking infrastructure. They have a mandate. Let's look at routine trade settlements. In the past, if a standard, low-risk trade ran into a minor data mismatch, a human operations analyst had to track down the error, verify the compliance codes, and manually push it through. Took time, cost money. Today, the AI handles it instantly. It scans the compliance framework, identifies the discrepancy, verifies it against regulatory data, and authorizes the settlement. It doesn't ask a human manager, "Hey, should I fix this?" It just fixes it and logs the action. Now, if you read the press releases from the major investment banks, they all use a specific safety phrase. They say these systems operate under human oversight.